So what's up guys, this video here is for all you Nintendo 3DS gamers that want to buy Skylanders Swap Force. So here we have some gameplay demos of what the game is like in the 3DS version of Swap Force, which, if you don't know, has a different storyline. So it does not follow the same levels and storyline as the console version. But nevertheless, it's pretty cool, and actually Callie, who is excluded from the main levels in Swap Force for the main consoles, she actually plays a larger part in the 3DS version of Skylanders Swap Force. I'll read you a little bit of the story behind what the Swap Force on 3DS is like. Basically, it starts in Boomtown, which is home of, you know, everybody's favorite pilot, that's Flynn. And the town is basically celebrating Flynn as their hero. And there's a new villain who I don't think is in Swap Force on the console, but he's known as Count Moneybone. And he actually sneaks his way into Boomtown to kidnap Callie, which we all know Flynn's got a little crush on Callie. They might get married one day, you never know. So anyways, yeah, it's up to the Portal Masters to get your Swap Force on and save Callie and defeat the evil Count Moneybone. So that's the objective. And for those that don't know, the starter pack comes with Volcanic Eruptor. And then it also comes with Rattleshake and Free Ranger. And those three are only available in that particular starter pack. I don't know if they'll be exclusive to it. I want to say no. But if you want those guys at launch, you're going to have to buy that 3DS starter pack, whether or not you even play 3DS.
That's it. See you later.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.